Hi, so this is chapter 2, and we're just going over some vocabulary that's going to crop up today. So it mentions about a walking cane. So there is a character in chapter 2 that has a walking cane, which is basically, you can see a walking stick, but so they used to call it a cane. And the Victorian teachers like to use these a lot as well. We'll probably find out why a bit later on. Mentions about white embers. So what are those? White embers from the hearth. So they're from the fireplace, and to begin with that would have been coal from a coal fire, and you can see there's bits of red glowing. So eventually the coal or charcoal or coal will kind of eventually after a good like half an hour it will turn to white, and it will still be really hot, and sometimes that's why they call something white hot. And often, like if you're barbecuing something, they suggest that it comes down to the white embers, that you kind of light the fire with the charcoals or coal for 20-30 minutes until it comes down to the white embers, that they are still absolutely roasting hot. And it also mentions in this chapter about bonnet. So you can see a bonnet that goes over the head, and as well a shawl. So they could have come in different colours, but the shawl sort of quite handy, and we still have them obviously today, don't we? Obviously made of cotton or wool, some natural material such as that, and would be in sort of different colours. And again, just having a look at some vocabulary. So there's a word here that is strained. Now you might have heard that in a different context. So it says here she was pale and strained. So strained could be like you've just strained a muscle, like pulled a muscle, or strained, it shows like signs of tiredness. So what do you think it would be? She was pale and shows signs of tiredness, or she was pale and hurt herself. So I think it would be the first one, wouldn't it? So she was pale and strained, like really tired. And the next one I can't see. Let me just move my head. There we go. Hold. What does that mean? When you hold something up. It says, but his sisters hold him up. So it's like dragged, pulled. Okay, so there are some words today, and they will help you for when reading the text. That's what it means, because otherwise we're just hearing these words and we might not know exactly what they mean. Okay, I'm going to stop there.